Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to find the inverse of a matrix in a very efficient way. So in formal way, when you go to find the inverse of any matrix, then we have to first find out its minor, then you have to find out its cofactor, then we have to find out its transpose, and after all we have to divide the magnitude of, and as I have mentioned here, the inverse of any matrix, A inverse equal to adjoint of A and a determinant by determinant of the matrix. So to proceed ahead, I want to glimpse some light on how to find the matrix, the determinant of any matrix in a quicker way. Okay, so as I have taken an example, let A be a matrix A B C D E F G H I, and let's suppose we have already find out its adjoint J K L M N O and P Q R. So according to our trick, the determinant of the matrix is, we have to first multiply the first row of the matrix A with the second column of the adjoint of the matrix. So according to our example, the determinant of the matrix must be ABC with JMP. So we have then the determinant of the matrix we must be equal to AJ plus BM plus CP. Okay. So now take an example to find the adjoint of a matrix. Let a matrix A equal to 1 0 2 2 1 1 and 1 1 1. So applying our the trick, we have to, according to our trick, we have to copy the first and the second column of the matrix and we have to place them to the right of the matrix. This is the step 1, and the step 2 suggests that copy the first and the second column of the new matrix and place them below the bottom of the new matrix. This is the second step. Okay, so this is our matrix, A matrix, and according to our trick, we have to first copy the first and the second column of the matrix and we have to place them to the right of the matrix. This is the step 1. So I have already copied these two columns of the matrix A and I have placed it to the right of the matrix. So this is the two column of the first matrix A, and according to the second step, we have to copy the first and the second column of the new matrix. Remember, this is the new matrix. That means this is the new matrix. This is our new matrix. So we have to copy the first and the second column of the new matrix. First and the second row of the new matrix. That means this is the first row, this is the second row. Okay, and we have to paste it bottom below the bottom of the new matrix. So I have already pasted it here, you can see. Okay, so now the next step is draw a line like this. Draw a line like this and neglect those elements which are present outside this region. That means this region we have to neglect, and whatever left inside the region, inside this line, we have to give some emphasis. So now you take some cross product like this. Remember, this is the first step, then this is the second step, and whatever you get, you just write it down here. So 1 minus 1, see, 1 into 1 equal to 1, then minus 1 into 1 equal to 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. and then 1 into 1 equal to 1, this 1 minus 2 equal to 2, sorry, 1 into 2 equal to 2, so 1 minus 2. Okay, like this, 1 into 2 equal to 2, 2, 1 into 1 equal to 1 minus 1. Okay, so like this you can take the cross product and write down it here. So after all, you can find this type of matrix. Okay, so now the second step is this is the matrix that we have already find out. This matrix, these two are same. Okay, so now our duty is to take the transpose of this matrix. So if you take the transpose of the matrix, you must get this matrix. Transpose means row will be column and column will be row. So you must get this matrix. So this matrix must be the adjoint of the matrix A. So now the determinant of the matrix A, according to our trick 1 0 2, this is the first row of the matrix. This is the first row of the matrix according to our trick, this trick. And this is we have to multiply the first column of the adjoint A. So where is the adjoint of A? This is the adjoint of A. So and its column is this part. So you have to multiply, and you must get 2 here. So this is the determinant of the matrix. So the inverse according to our formula is adjoint of A divided by determinant of the A. So half into 0 2 minus 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 3 1 minus 1 1. So this is the answer. So similarly you can find the inverse of any 3 cross 3 matrix. I have taken another example. Let A be any matrix minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 2 1 2. So its inverse you must you can find by applying this method. 1 by 6 minus 3 minus 1 2 0 minus 4 2 3 3 0. So thank you for watching.